Starting around 06 October 2023, Ethereum basically is exchanging at $1,633.14 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.19% in by and large most recent 60 minutes, which generally is very critical. ETH certainly has a truly complete market cap of $196,376,078,080, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,658,319,287 in an every way that really matters, huge way. This sort of makes Ethereum, ETH, in every way that really matters, positioning it too in the cryptographic money market, so ETH especially has a very all-out market cap of $196,376,078,080, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,658,319,287, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. In the event that you really are a crypto financial backer, and considering what is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2023, what will Ethereum sort of be especially worth in 2023, which sort of is genuinely huge? Is Ethereum a genuinely wise speculation or sort of worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Will ETH cost especially outperform its unequaled high, or so they in a real sense thought? These basically are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future in a kind of large manner. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation 2023, as per the Ethereum conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the ETH cost especially is supposed to especially cross a genuinely normal value level of $2,139.84, the normal really least value worth of Ethereum, toward the finish of the kind of current year, ought to be $2,048.41 amazingly. Besides, ETH can fundamentally arrive at a sort of most extreme value level of $2,335.71 in an especially huge manner. ETH value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Ethereum by and large is estimated to generally be at around an extremely least worth of $1,737.18, or so they generally thought. The Ethereum value worth can arrive at a sort of limit of $1,974.90, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $1,920.04 in United States dollars, which essentially demonstrates the way that the Ethereum value worth can for the most part arrive at a fundamentally limit of $1,974.90, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $1,920.04 in United States dollars, which generally is very critical. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation September 2023. The cost for Ethereum in September 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $1,923.70 and $2,070.90. While the especially normal exchanging cost ought to sort of be around $1,996.84 in a fundamentally enormous manner. ETH value estimate October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Ethereum generally is determined to really be at around a sort of least worth of $1,945.35 in an unpretentious manner. The Ethereum value worth can especially arrive at a very limit of $2,150.77, with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $2,036.78 in United States dollars, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. ETH value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Ethereum truly is determined to be at around a truly least worth of $2,004.37, or so they truly thought. The Ethereum value worth can generally arrive at a sort of limit of $2,252.61, with the very normal exchanging worth of $2,077.51 in United States dollars, by and large further appearance, how ETH especially has a kind of complete market cap of $196,376,078,080, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,658,319,287 in a kind of significant manner. Ethereum, ETH, value estimate December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Ethereum most certainly is explicitly anticipated to truly arrive at an extremely normal cost of $2,139.84, while the coin could exchange between a sort of limit of $2,335.71 and an essentially least of $2,048.41 in a significant manner. Ethereum truly passed value examination in the by and large beyond 24 hours. The crypto really has been in every practical sense diminished by 0.62% in its especially current worth, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Assuming that we basically look at the especially current market cap of the ETH with yesterday's, you can explicitly see that the market cap truly is likewise down in a really significant manner. Ethereum generally is confronting in every way that really matters difficult time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins, showing how Ethereum basically is confronting a quite tough time jumping aboard with kind of other crypto coins, or so they especially thought. The ETH generally is down to nearly 2.82% in every practical sense, most recent 7 days, in every way that really matters, in opposition to mainstream thinking. The coin truly is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for truly past by and large couple of days. The coin could by and large have areas of strength for commonly, however, we don't by and large figure that it would a beneficial resource in sort of present moment, so Ethereum exceptionally passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto for the most part has been for the most part diminished by 0.62% in its sort of current worth, which explicitly is very critical. Inside the fundamentally most recent 1 month, the cost of ETH basically diminished by 13.520%, wiping out an astounding pretty normal amount of $255.31 from its in every practical sense current worth, sort of additional appearance, how ETH value estimate August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Ethereum in a real sense is gauged to truly be at around an essentially least worth of $1,737.18. Which by and large is very huge. This unexpected down explicitly implies that the coin for the most part is in plunge at the present time, implying that it very well may be a very decent fundamentally purchase an open door for in every practical sense, speedy interest in a significant way. The 90 days cost change by and large is around 4.08%, and the cost certainly circled from a very least genuinely normal cost of $1,539.51 to for the most part greatest genuinely normal cost of $1,647.19 in the beyond 90 days. So the 90 days cost change for the most part is around 4.08%. And the cost really flowed from a genuinely least extremely normal cost of $1,539.51 to fundamentally greatest for the most part normal cost of $1,647.19 in the beyond 90 days, in an unpretentious way. In essentially most recent 4 months, Ethereum explicitly has shown a developing pattern, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. In this manner, we basically feel that comparative pieces of the market generally were very famous at that period, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. As indicated by particularly the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Ethereum basically is expanded from 4 months, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. The exchanging volume is a fundamental job in its cost in an essentially large manner. The coin basically is up by 19.17%, with